Gather the ingredients. Dice the onion, dice the scallion, dice the sweet pepper, like this. Add mashed garlic if you want. Chop ½ inch, 1 inch or 2 inches boneless or bone-in chicken chunks. Do it like this. Put a wok on medium heat. I am using this old Dutchie. Pour some cooking oil. Fry chicken 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Make sure the chicken cooked good. Saute the diced vegetables like this. Scramble 2 eggs on it. Do it like this. Next, add the cooked rice. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons soy sauce and then stir fry like this. Add seasonings, salt, black pepper to flavor. Stir fry. Stir fry the diced sweet pepper at the end. This is homemade chicken fried rice. Get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.